I will show you how to merge two routes for this GRC XDIS 9201. So first go to menu, then go to route planning, then open the route that you need to merge. For example, like this one, Galveston to Rotterdam, then I need to go to Barcelona. So I have a route here from Galveston to Rotterdam. So I will open one route again that going to Barcelona. Then go to open, then select the another route. So for example, like this one, Kuwait to Barcelona. So if you can see, I have a two routes, so I need to merge it away. So for example here, this is the second route, this Kuwait to Barcelona. I will cut or delete the waypoint from Kuwait until here. Then also from here, I will from waypoint 32 to the go to the Rotterdam, I will delete also. Then we will merge. Example, this one to Barcelona, I will. If you can see, I already deleted from Kuwait until here. So now, this first route, I will delete from this waypoint to the Rotterdam. So we will let's delete. So first we will go here in the first route. Then after that one, we will delete. So now, if you can see, it's already deleted. So we will go here in this waypoint, for example, like this one, Kuwait to Barcelona. Then just right click, then copy the route, then go to the another route, this Galveston to Rotterdam. Then go to the end of the waypoint. So like this one here in waypoint 33, if you can see, it will be merged. So right click, then after that one, paste route. So if you can see, it's already merged. So that's how to merge here in the GRC XDIS 9201. Then after that one, you can make a save as here in the arrow down and save as. Then after that one, save. So that's it. Thank you.